Hey everybody, and welcome back to Farm Girl in Progress. I am Nadine. Today we're going to be going out in the garden to plant some elderberries. I finally got them in the mail. I got two sets of two different varieties. So with elderberries, you need two varieties for them to produce fruit. So I got the, what are these? Johns and Adam. So I have two Johns and two Adams of the elderberry varieties. So we're gonna go head out to the garden and get those planted today. Let's go. All right, so here is where I'm planting the elderberries. I've put some cardboard down to sort of help with the weeds, but I gotta clean all that up, get rid of the downspout. This is where I have the two other elderberries, so I'm just gonna continue that down the row here with the four that I got today. And so yeah, we're just gonna clean this up and then get them planted. So the bed is all cleaned up now. We'll throw all these weeds either in the compost or in with the chickens. The chickens will love all of those tasty weeds. So yeah, we're just going to plant the new elderberries, and I'm going to rotate the varieties. So earlier I mentioned that I had two Johns and two Adams, and so I'm just going to rotate them. So one will be a John, and then an Adam, and then a John, and then an Adam. And that way there's a lot of good cross-pollination going on. So let's go ahead and get the elderberries and we'll get them planted. So we got the new elderberries all planted. We're just gonna give them a nice drink of water. I do have space for about 2 more, but for right now I'll just leave it. And so I did Adams, John, Adams, and John, just for my personal record so I know what's what. I don't remember what these 2 are, so that's why I made a point to let you guys know. But they're all in and ready to go. Now to just clean up, give these guys a drink of water, and go make dinner. So yeah, that wraps up today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, be sure to give them a thumbs up on your way out. Click that subscribe button, and remember to grow where you're planted. Bye.